In this video, I'm about to show you how to sell your crypto on Phantom. Start by downloading the BitGet wallet. You can install the BitGet wallet Chrome extension on your PC or get the BitGet wallet app from Google Play or the Apple Store. Once installed, create a Phantom wallet by selecting Create a Wallet and choosing a mainnet that supports Phantom. This will set up your Web3 wallet for Phantom. If you already have Phantom in your crypto wallet, such as BitGet wallet, you can swap it for other tokens like USDT or BTC directly on the DEX trading platform within BitGet wallet. If you have tokens like USDT or BTC available for P2P trading in your wallet, you can easily deposit them into your BitGet account. Go to the deposit page, select the coin and blockchain network, and either the address or QR code will appear. Ensure the selected blockchain network matches the one on your platform to avoid irreversible loss of assets. Finally, you can place an order for Phantom on the P2P market. BitGet P2P allows you to sell crypto with zero fees using over 100 payment methods such as bank transfer, cash, and e-wallets like Payeer, Zelle, Perfect Money, Advash, and Wise. Simply place an order, pay the buyer, and receive your fiat currency. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.